All you need while working on Google Earth Pro is to have your Google Earth installed. Then navigate to the software. I pinned my own software on the taskbar, and this is it. I'll click to open now. So as we wait for the Google Earth Pro engine to load. Okay, it's loading. Close this. Yes, it's loading. Okay, remember it's showing this grid because last time I used it, I checked the grid view, so I can uncheck the grid view now if I want. So because I might open your own and it won't show the grid view. So as I uncheck the grid view from the view, and then it open. Let me check it back because of what I need to use it for. Okay, I can see now it checked back. Now I'm going to work on right now I am in eastern part of the country, but I want to navigate to Abuja, the capital territory of Nigeria. So you can see my location. My location is in Ebonyi, which is very far from Abuja. So I will remotely access a particular place in Abuja, maybe Asrock Villa or Uni Abuja, Nigeria. So let me access, let me say Uni Abuja. Just go to the search area and type Uni Abuja. Uni Abuja. You can see University of Abuja campus. University of Abuja campus, Abuja. Let me search. It's on an airport road. Main campus is in airport road. So I will allow it to load the location. I will allow it to load the location. It's coming closer. Wow. You can see as it's drawing closer. You see Uni Abuja. It says Uni Abuja. This is showing because I've accessed this place before. This is Uni Abuja. I click again. I want to see it closer. See it closer. This is Uni Abuja. Wow. University of Abuja main campus. It's a Senate building of Abuja, of University of Abuja. This is the Senate building. And there's a mosque here. And I'm very close to it. You can see here my altitude is about 563. It's about 63 meters. And these places, the elevation is between 270, between 270 to 280. The elevation, you can see the elevation. I see the image D, see Airbus 2025, University of Abuja. Okay, let me take it down. Now, what I want to check now is I want to get the coordinates of this Uni Abuja area and possibly be able to determine the slope of this area due to the University of Abuja and its environment. Let me please. So because of the I'm taking it to about that's far. This is 127 kilometers. Oh yeah, that's far. Let me increase it around I'm increasing it around 5 to 6 kilometers. That's very far. So I can be able to see this is 9 kilometers. Remember this altitude and high altitude is as I view from from the satellite. This is 4.8 kilometers. I think this is better because we can see the areas bounded by the Uni Abuja. You can see the areas here. You can see the layout, and these are the roads and all that. So now I want to just pick the layouts and all that. Let me mark the layouts, and I pick the layouts. Maybe here. What's the coordinate of here? Let me say here A. So these areas I want to work on. Let me say here is A. I add this as A, and then I save it. And this is the coordinates here. You can see the coordinates. See the coordinates there. Of that place are marked. Add mark. See the coordinates. Okay, so I mark this as A. Upload this. Let me add another place and mark it as B. Mark it as B. So that I can get the whole this thing. I guess as B. B. Save this as B. This as B. So this as B. Let me add another mark. This as C. This as C. C. And let me save this as the last one as what is as D. The last one as D, which is this place. Okay. So the map should be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's good. So I can decide to extract only this place and produce my map. Let me place OK on this. So if I want to extract this place and produce the map of this place, what am I going to do? I'll bring it closer. Bring it closer. Okay, that was too close. Let me take it back. Here, this is okay. I take it up? Can always palm it. Yeah, can always palm it. As we do another lesson. Close a bit now. I'm bringing it closer a bit. Closer a bit. Okay, I can extract can cut out this place. At times I use snipe tool to cut it out, but if you are not good using snipe tool, I use snipe tool because every system has snipe tool. Or you can screenshot the entire map area. You can screenshot. If you want to screenshot, you screenshot. But me, I'm always interested in just this area. If I'm just interested in this area, I can use my map tool, sniping tool. I use my sniping tool. I can just get, let me say I want to get only these places that are marked. It's my snapping tool. That wasn't good. Snapping tool. I'll get this. Yeah, I can save this file as Uni Abuja. Uni Abuja. Save this on training desktop. Save this as Uni Abuja. Okay, if you don't want to do that, you can actually screenshot this place. Okay, let's go to this, and then you can just save. Control P to print. You can save. You can start to save these places as save my place, save image. Control S. I start to save image. As this is processing before connection to print. It's waiting. You can also save the entire image of the disk. So you wait for the connection. That's is processing. Wait for printer connection. That's if you're waiting for printer connection. That's it's waiting for printer connection. I don't want to print anything. So I'm not printing direct. So you can here edit your map. I can title it Uni Abuja area. University of Abuja. City of Abuja. I can write description. If I want to describe anything, I will describe. But no, I don't want to describe anything. This is okay. It's okay. I can edit the features. And edit the legend feature. I can check and I want to check. If you don't want to, you can actually leave it this way, and then that's all that. Legend, cancel University of Abuja, cancel this, and all that. University of Abuja Medical Center, University of Abuja Main Campus, University of Abuja. Listen, let me uncheck the fact of. Let me check the features and check this. And check this. I have hostel, University of Abuja Sport, and this. I think I'm okay with this. And with this, I cancel this. So I have my legend here. I have my title here, University of Abuja. This is okay. Title, nothing to describe. This Google Earth image. This. I already know what I have. You can look at the Faculty of Medical Science, Pharmaceutical Science, Faculty of Engineering, all this and all that. They said I won't even check that faculty, but will you check all the faculty? Faculty of Engineering. No, that's not go there. Okay, this is okay. You look here, you will see save image. You see save image, file disk to disk, save image file to disk. So now, look at my training, desktop, my training, can save the image as University City of Abuja. Remember, this is just saved as a non-spatial data. Saving it as JPEG. I can change it to any other format. I can change it to PNG and change it to JPEG. You can here. Let me just save it as a JPEG, and my image is saved. Okay, so now my map is as like I can easily tell somebody this is University of Abuja, this is this and this is that. So that's for that. So now, if I want to generate a spatial data from here that I can use to do my slope map, my IDW map, and all that thing. Assuming I'm working on this University of Abuja and I want to have the coordinates of the entire place and then generate the elevation, contour map, and anything I want to generate here. There are simple thing to do. Yeah, so watch our next class as we go through the University of Abuja slope map and the IDW map. Thank you. Come back as in our last class we talk about accessing remotely into a place that from anywhere we are, and we're able to access a particular place in Nigeria, West Africa, known as University of Abuja. This was the map we created last time. So today we want to use the same location, and what we want to do is to generate a contour and IDW map and slope map of the place using our ArcGIS. So, but first of all, still on our Google Earth Pro, we want to mark out those places, their place we have marked out. We want to show us how to trace it and then take it to the ArcGIS where we're going to generate our IDW map and the other spatial data. So last time we saved our image as some spatial data, and we saved our map. We look at the map we saved just as it was in the last class, and then look at the the legend of the map. Okay, now what we have to do is now we will go navigate to up here. If you navigate to up here, you will see a tool called add path. See this tool called add path. First of all, before we do that, I want to cancel the image that we cancel this image, yes, so that it will be in a normal spatial view. Now we go to this and then we click add path. Okay, let me say as we click add path, don't cancel and don't. Like I said, you just navigate to up here and then click add path. You will see add path there. See up here now, you will see add path. Add path. So click add path. Let me add path. Add path. Add path. Let me take this here. Okay, so that I'll have my listen and what I want to do. So the entire place, the place I want to add, the parts I want to add is just this marked area, the Union marked area. Our A, B, C, and D. So now I hold down my left click and then I move my cursor around the place. You can see as I'm moving the cursor around, we just adding paths. Just keep moving it, to uncover the entire place. Let me move it faster. Just move it round. As you can see, as you're moving it round, is picking points of all these places. What is doing now is if you have worked with this thing in the field before, so what you are doing is you are picking a coordinate of each of these places, and you know the content of the coordinate. If you pick your waypoint, it will involve both the elevation, the latitude, and the longitude. So that's what it's doing now. So I'm just moving my cursor around the place. Okay. Okay, once I think I've covered as much as I want to, what I will do now is I think I've covered as much as I want to. I can take this back if I don't want it to exceed this. Yeah, if you don't want it to exceed, just click and then take it back. I want to be within the line. Just click it and then take it back. I want it to be within the line. I'll bring this one back here. Okay, so now I will save my part as save from here, the dialog box. So I'll save my part as uni Abuja _ Abuja. Then let me do another thing. Let me change the color. Yes, let me change the color. I can change the color from here. You see color and style. I prefer using this green. Yeah, I prefer using green. Yeah, change the color and I click OK. You can see our distance saved here as Uni Abuja. It is saved down here as Uni Abuja on places. It's already saved on our places as Uni Abuja. Let me zoom down so that I can see it very clear. Uni Abuja. Okay. As we are done with this, then you go here. Okay, now we are done with tracing and all that and changing the color of our design. We just save as, just go here at this your save the part, and then right click. Once you right click, you will see rename, save as, you see copy, you see delete, you see email, you see snap shots view, you see show elevation profile. Okay, before we go this in, let me show you the elevation profile of this place so that you can see how it look like. Just click the elevation profile, you see it come up. Wow, this is beautiful. You see the elevation profile of what we just traced. As we move around it, you can see each place I click, you see the elevation profile there. This is that is that place. You see here, see all around the area. See the place, see this place, just look, see the elevation profile all around, all around. You can see the elevation profile is the height. Look at the elevation here. The elevation versus the distance. You see the distance in kilometer. You see the elevation in meter here. This side is showing the elevation in meter, and here is showing it the distance in kilometer. So it's distance versus elevation. Okay, that's for that. So I can let me close that. Just close that from here. Close the elevation profile from here. Yeah, let me connect that. It's connected. Okay, now we are done viewing our elevation profile. Let me save. I'll save place as let me save on my training, and then let me save it as save as KML. I don't usually save accounts. See the previous data saved here on the training. I'll save Uni Abuja, the KML. I'll click save, and it's now saved on my folder. Okay, now that I can close Google Air Pro now. Now navigate to your this thing. That's something I want to do. Navigate to your open your browser and search for GPS visualizer. GPS visualizer, KML to GPS visualizer. Okay, I'll click this GPS visualizer. Okay, this is GPS visualizer. I want to convert to GPS. Okay, click this and then see the GPS visualizer. It's an online app, an open source software that I use to convert from one format to another. So what I want to do now is to convert from KML to GPS format. So go to my desktop. Where do I save my data? Training. I saved it on training. Save on training. I then select it Uni Abuja. Search for Uni Abuja. Uni Abuja. Go down. Uni Abuja. Here is Uni Abuja. Google Air Pro. I click it, and this is my file here. This is my file here, Uni Abuja. Then output format is on GPX. Can also convert to any other format. So I'll go down here. Don't forget this, please. Don't forget. Always navigate to here. So don't forget to do one thing after uploading your data. Just go down here. You will see this. You see default. You see all that. You go to this last one. Add DEM elevation data. Just click here, and you will see. At times I use, but you will see this one. Click no. Just go to maybe use add available sources. I always use add available source so that the elevation this thing will be initiated, the DEM elevation data. So now you can now save or convert because we're converting. Click convert. As you click convert, you allow it to load. Okay, allow it to finish loading. Then go to this place. You will see here, you see GPX. This you see this will come up. This is the other. Then click to download. As you play, okay, see my own is already downloading up here. Well, it has finished the downloading. I can look at it here now. So I finished downloading and copy it. Copy to my training data now, and then I will save it. Let me save it here. Paste it here. Okay, here is the GPS. I converted to GPS. And that's for that. The next thing now is in our next class, we will be working on ArcGIS. I will do introduction to ArcGIS, and then I will tell you how this can be used in ArcGIS.